we'll guide you through how to create an animation in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer. Once you have Krita open, go to the top menu and click on Window, then make sure Animation is checked. This will open up the animation dockers, which are essential for creating animations. Next, you'll want to set up your canvas. Go to File and then New to create a new document. In the New Document window, you can choose the dimensions for your animation. A common size is HD 1920 by 1080 pixels, but you can adjust this based on your needs. Now, it's time to create your first frame. In the timeline docker at the bottom, you'll see a frame labeled 0p. Click on that frame, then go to your Layers docker and create a new layer. Start drawing your first frame on that layer using the Brush tool. After you've drawn your first frame, you can add another frame by clicking the Add Blank Frame button in the Animation docker. This will create a new frame for you to draw the next sequence of your animation. Remember, each frame represents a different point in time, so you need to draw each frame slightly different to create the illusion of movement. You can use the onion skin feature, which you can enable by clicking the onion skin icon in the Animation docker, to help you see the previous and next frames while you're drawing. This is extremely helpful for keeping your animations smooth and consistent. Once you've created a few frames, you can play back your animation by clicking the play button in the Animation docker to see how it's coming along. If you need to adjust the timing, you can do so by dragging the frames along the timeline or changing the frame rate settings. When you're happy with your animation, go to File and then Render Animation to export your animation. You can choose to export as a video file or a series of images. Make sure to select the correct settings for your needs. That's it, you've created an animation in Krita. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.